Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, we are going to learn how to create a QR code for any page. To do that, first we need to search for any URL. If we want to create for Google, that here we have all the search result and I want to create a QR code. So then here I'm going to right click and here we have this create QR code for this page, or you can click here customize and control Google Chrome, and with cost save and share we have the create QR code. We are going to click. As you can see here, you can scan that QR code and you can give it a link to anyone. Now I can click on copy, or you can just click on download. I'm going to click on download and also click on copy. Now I can send this to anyone, so they can just scan this QR code and they can access to this page. So this is how we can create a QR code for any pages with the Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.